Cancer is on the rise, and it is alarming. It is backed by these figures that you can see. Cancer is the second highest cause of death among Malaysians. There are three main causes of cancer. First is the consumption of fast food and processed food. Second is the stress due to overthinking. And thirdly is the unhealthy lifestyle, like not enough sleep, too much drinking and smoking. These facts are all backed by the article Why Cancer is on the Rise, and is published recently on the 27th December 2022. I recently met with Miss Lily, the founder and CEO of the Pink Ribbon Wellness Foundation. She highlighted to me, Jean, breast cancer is really alarmingly on the rise, especially among young women. She also emphasized that a vast cause of cancer is attributed to the consumption of food, especially fast food and processed food these days. This serves as an awakening to all of us that food and lifestyle are the key reasons people are getting cancer. Can we do something about that? Yes, we can help to prevent cancer with the understanding that what you eat is what you become. If we focus on this crucial cause, we should encourage home cooking. Why? Because of two words: in control. You are in control of the choicest ingredients and the kind of oil you use for cooking. So you avoid ingredients high in unhealthy fats, sodium, added sugar, commonly found in processed foods. That's why we at 𝗷𝗏𝗄𝗍 advocate home cooking for the best of your health. Cooking at home for 4 to 5 days in a week, it's all you need. Join us on this journey with 𝗷𝗏𝗄𝗍 for simple solutions.